loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please click on that subscribe button, like and share my video, leave a comment, click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. So on today's video, we are doing our first wig installation online. I hope that this video does assist in some way or another. Yeah, let me know your thoughts and let's get right into it. The first items that I'll be going in with will be a toothbrush and my got2b gel. So I'll be just pushing my hair back so that it's neat and I have a clean canvas to work on when I install my wig. And because I don't have any wig caps, I'll be using a pantyhose. This is a black male pantyhose. We used to wear a lot of these while I was still in the airline industry. Today I'm using it as my wig cap. I think that is big enough for my head. Hope so. Perfect. I'm now going in with my got2b Blasting Freeze spray. And I'll be using a hairdryer at low temperature to dry up my freezing spray. The reason why I use my blow dryer on low temperature is that so my spray does not leave any white residue on my pantyhose or wig cap, whichever one you are using. So that's the main reason why I use low temperature. I will be looking down most of the time because my mirror is down, but I'll try to pick it up a little bit so that I can see where I'm cutting and is it where I want it to be. So that's what we'll be doing. I'll be using this small scissors to cut my pantyhose. So we are done cutting the pantyhose, but you can see some parts are sort of not attached to my skin, or they are just standing up. So to lay that down, I'll be using the got2b spray and I'll just spray it on top of this lid and just go in with the tail of this comb to flatten the pantyhose or the wig cap, because it's a wig cap right now. Yeah, so just like that. And I'll just go in with the back of my comb like that. And going in with my hairdryer at low temperature. To wipe off any residue that's on my forehead, I'm going in with this Discam Rub Alcohol. It is 70% alcohol, and I'll be using a cotton pad to do so. To create an illusion of a scalp, I'll be going in with my V Beauty Contour Palette, and I'll be using shade Chocolate right there. The unit that I'm using, I got it from AliExpress, I think in 2019. The vendor was Sloverosa Hair. Yes, that was the vendor. I don't have their details anymore, but I got this hair from AliExpress. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just measuring where I will be putting my Got2b glue. So I'll be putting on my unit just to get an idea of where my glue should be. Okay. I have seen where I'll be placing my glue. I'm just gonna look down for a bit. I'll be going in with my hairdryer at low temperature. So you do this until it looks almost invisible, depending on how many layers we want. I think I'll be applying 2 layers of my ghost glue. But yeah, you dry it until it's almost invisible so that it doesn't leave like those white marks on your lace. You know, you want your installation to look as neat as possible. So this is how it looks now. You can go in a little bit longer with your hair dryer, but my patience is running out, so I'm just gonna put my wick on the areas that I've applied the gel. Now that I'm happy with the placement, I'm gonna go in with the hair dryer at low heat. I'm using this elastic to tie the hair back so that it's easy and manageable to work with it. So now that we are happy that the front part is intact, we're gonna do the sides. I'm gonna go in with the ghost glue again, same method. Okay, this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna try and melt the lace where I'm not happy with it. Yeah, we're gonna do that together. So to melt the lace, we'll be using the same method. I got to be spray on this lid and using this comb on the areas where I see the lace lifting. With the hair dryer on low heat, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we are gonna try and style this hair. This really helps me to lay my edges. I'll be using this double-sided comb and brush situation. I don't know what you call this, but this really works like magic. So I'm gonna do that. And to completely lay the edges, I'll be using the Got2b gel. Okay. So I'm just gonna hold my curls back with bobby pins, and I'll go off camera. I feel like this hair installation deserves a cute makeup, so I'm gonna do that off camera, then I'll show you guys the final look. See you in a moment. And loves, this is how we look. I hope that the video was a bit informative. I know that I've done some of the stuff off camera, but I think the bit that I've shared will help you install your wig a little bit better. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, leave a comment, and thank you so much for watching until this far. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!